In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a zip file through Gmail. Now, this can be quite handy if you have multiple files you want to share conveniently all at once, especially when you're managing work documents or larger files. So let's dive right in and make the process as simple as possible for you. First, you'll want to ensure that your zip file is already created and saved on your computer, ready to attach in your Gmail. If you're not sure how to create a zip file, it's just a matter of selecting the files you want to compress, right-clicking, and then choosing the Send To option, followed by Compressed Zipped folder. This gets your files neatly packaged into a single file, making it easier to send. Now, log into your Gmail account using your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, locate the Compose button, usually found in the upper left corner of the Gmail interface, and click on it to start drafting a new email. This will bring up a new message window where you can enter the recipient's email address, subject, and any message you'd like to include. For attaching your zip file, look for a paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Clicking on it opens a dialog box that lets you select files from your computer. Navigate to the location where your zip file is stored, select it, and click on Open. Gmail will take a few moments to upload the file, especially if it's a larger one. You'll know the file has been uploaded successfully when you see it listed below the subject line in the Compose window with its name and size displayed. While it might seem simple to just go ahead and hit send, there's a small caveat to consider. Gmail restricts files over 25 MB, which means if your zip file exceeds this limit, Gmail automatically uploads it to your Google Drive and sends a link for the recipient to download. So if you're dealing with large files, this is quite a handy feature that ensures your file gets delivered without a hitch. Before you hit send, double-check everything. Make sure the email address is correct, your subject line reflects the contents appropriately, and any accompanying message is clear. Once all looks good, click the blue Send button, and off goes your email. And there you have it, a straightforward way to send zip files via Gmail. Remember, keeping your files zipped is a neat way to organize attachments and can save you time, especially if you're dealing with numerous files. By following these steps, you'll make sure your email communication remains efficient, professional, and organized. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.